Hey everyone, welcome back in another interesting video on what's new inside Pabbly Connect in February 2023. So the biggest update we have made inside Pabbly Connect in the month of February is ChatGPT is now integrated with the Pabbly Connect. So I believe ChatGPT doesn't require any introduction. Simply ask any question to ChatGPT and get the answers of your questions immediately and automatically. And when the software like ChatGPT will integrate with multiple applications, it's an icing on cake because the possibilities are endless here. Okay, you can now even automate the work done by ChatGPT. For example, you can connect to Google My Business with the ChatGPT and automate the replies of your reviews. Similarly, you can automate the reply of your Facebook comments as well, and you can even entirely automate your blogging process as well. For example, you can even automate the writing process and you can even automate the blog publishing process. Okay, so let me show you this on my screen. So ChatGPT is added as an action step of OpenAI. Here you can see I have selected OpenAI into the action step, and in this action step I have action event as ChatGPT and ChatGPT Advanced. Okay, by selecting this you can now automate a lot of things, and I'm pretty sure that you are going to love this update and you're going to do a lot more in your business with ChatGPT and Pabbly Connect integration. Moving further, we have another interesting and biggest update for all the Google Ads users, because now we have recently added a new action in Google Ads with the name Get Google Ads Insights. So let me show you what are the insights, what are the data you are actually going to get in Pabbly Connect's dashboard. So here I am showing you an existing workflow which I have created in order to get all the Google Ads Insights data inside Pabbly Connect dashboard. So here you can see I have created Google Ads application, and in this application I have this new action event as Get Google Ads Insights data, which can retrieve the performance of an account over the last n number of days by campaign segmented by device via customer's ID. So here you can see I have selected the manager ID, the customer ID, and the duration, basically for what duration I would like to get the performance of my Google Ads. And in the response I have received a lot of information of my Google Ads. So here you can see I have the status of the campaign, that is enable, the name of the campaign. I even have the number of clicks metrics, number of cost micros. I even have the CTR, that is the click-through rate metrics, the impressions which I am receiving on my Google Ads. Let me show you other details as well. So I have again the clicks, the cost micros, the CTRs, the average CPC, basically the cost per click which I am getting for my Google Ads. I have the impressions, I have the device, the resource name. So this is how I can now retrieve following information from my Google Ads and create interesting reports by sending this data to Google Sheets, to Google Data Studio, or to different application, or I can even share this data with my team over Slack, over Google Chat, or to different places. Alright, along with Google Ads, we have also updated our Facebook Pages application with the two new amazing action. One is for posting multiple images automatically on Facebook page, and second one is for deleting the post. So let me again show you these two actions on my screen. So let me try to explain you this with an example. This is my spreadsheet, and in my first column I have the message which I would like to post, and in further columns I have multiple images which I would like to post. Okay, so with this particular action of Facebook Pages, you can now post multiple images on your Facebook page. Okay, so this is my page and I am going to post all these images all together in front of you. Okay, so this is the Facebook Pages application, and here this is the create multi-image post which we have recently added. Let me connect it. Okay, I am going with the existing connection, and now I am going to map that message and all the images. Okay, and here I will be selecting this unique clothes page. Okay, so here we have this page. Okay, and in this image section you can read the instructions that it allowed maximum URLs 30. Okay, yes, you can post up to 30 images on Facebook page automatically. In this case, I have taken the example of only 5 images. Okay, so let me map the image URLs one by one which I have received in the response of my Google Sheets. Okay, so here we have the image 1. I will press a comma, give a space, and then further I am going to map the image 2, and in this way I am going to map other 3 images as well by simply separating with a comma. So I have mapped all the 5 image URLs along with the message which I would like to post, and here I also have the flexibility to schedule this post. Okay, so if you will select yes, it will ask you that at what time you would like to publish it. Currently I am going to post it in real time. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request, and within few seconds you will see how a post will be created here automatically, and all the multiple images will be posted on my Facebook page with this amazing action event. So I have refreshed my Facebook page, and here you can see all those 5 images has been posted automatically on my Facebook page. Along with this multi-image post, we also have added one more action event as delete post, via which now you can automate the process of post deletion of your Facebook pages by simply connecting Facebook pages with the Pabbly Connect. Another update is the most awaited update because lot of users were actually waiting for this update, that is Thinkific Integration is back in Pabbly Connect's integration library. Now you can again start automating your course selling process with the Pabbly Connect and Thinkific Integration, and not just the Chat GPT, Google Ads, Facebook pages and Thinkific. Our team is constantly working on the updation of the application, and in the month of February we have updated around 35 existing applications in which we have added either the triggers or actions or the documentation. Along with this, our video team is constantly building up our library, and in the month of Feb we have created 225 plus videos on Pabbly's YouTube channel, and these videos are available in both the languages, that is in English as well as in Hindi. Stay tuned for more new updates. Thank you for watching this video.